Right, so there we are, we got the turret off. So there you go, that's what it looks like inside. This is where the flint sort of goes in. It's a matter of finding a flint of the right size to go there. That's fairly easy to do, I'd imagine. I'd imagine a Zippo flint would fit nicely in there, because that's what I always tend to find. Yeah, so anyway, so look at that, yeah. That's that. So, yeah, that's where it goes inside there and runs on this wheel that has iron filings embedded all the way around it. So I'm going to oil this motor and put a new flint in next. That'll be the next part. Okay, see you soon. Bye.